for the Fazio. And how much, Amanda? How much?
Yeah, 62,000.
62,000. Okay. So 62,000, 125. Good little run around. I'll just convert that into pounds. We've got Mad Max in for gearbox and oil change. Plug out. Then to the back end for the gearbox. I know the engine looks very dark. That's good. So, no oil, and we'll see how much it all comes to. We've just come into where the aircon is. Now the gearbox oil empties and refills on the other side where it is. The engine oil, you can see it draining directly underneath it on the left hand side of the bike, and that is your refill where that funnel is. Okay, so while we're at the Yamaha dealers, we'll take a look at what the bikes are and what the prices are. So new in NMAX now, purple wheels in black. The bike comes to 191,100 for the NMAX. Got Filano, which is just a little automatic scooter. Comes in at 68,500. Then we've got the Fazio. That's all your spec for the bike. That is the bike, and that is 62,900. Right, so here for 101,000 baht is the MT-15. Not sure what the engine is on that one. Don't have the specs. Don't have the prices on them ones either. Okay, so what we got over here? Right, we got the Exciter in grey, 79,500. You got this thing here. Don't have a clue what it is. It's basically got gears, so not auto. That's 198,000. 118,000. You got this, what is it, lime green? Going to be the one. The RS15. That looks alright, but still got your gears to change and your brakes on the other side. Obviously a clutch. Then you got this Yamaha SR, 295,000. More of the old style, traditional type motorbike. So that gives you an idea around the shop. Right, so outside you got various colours in the Filano. And then all different bikes down here, not sure what they are. But yeah, lots of bikes. Right, the bike's outside, so the bike's done. So, I think it's time to pay. We'll go and find out how much it is. Go inside. Okay, so I've just come up with the bill for gearbox and oil change. It's 240 baht all in. That's labour and everything. I know there wasn't much to do, but still good. Yeah, so that 240 baht comes to about £5.50, somewhere around there. So £5.50, you bring it in there, have a look around the shop, and it's done within 10 minutes. That's really good. It's a limited edition Fila Fazio, hybrid, new style generation. Okay. So, yeah, tidy little bike. What did I say the price was? Let's have a look. Just under 63,000 for that.
เป็นเหมือนกันแต่ว่าซีซีน้อยกว่าอันของคุณพี่ N Max มัน155ใช่ไหมคะอันนี้มัน125 cc
125. And does it have petrol or just oil? Yeah, oil and same as right. Okay, so it's not. It says hybrid on there, so mix.
No, I think electric here.
No, that's just battery.
Yeah.
ใช่
I didn't think it was. Right, so put petrol in it for the Fazio. And how much, Amanda? How much?
Yeah.
62,000. Okay.
Near Wepa.
So 62,000, 125. Good little run around. I'll just convert that into pounds. 62,900 equates to just over 1,500 pounds. If you want a small run around. Okay. All right, and that'll be it for this video. Copper and cap. Thank you very much. Okay, all done. And here's Amanda's bike. Amanda's bike. 97,000. Your bike now.
Here same Tony on it. And
โอ้โหอันนี้เป็นยูทูบนี่มันตามมาถ่ายถึงนี่เลยนะรถสีขาวสายนี่เอาที่นี่ไปส่งก่อนเลยนะไอ้เนี่ยเดี๋ยวนี้แล้วเขาต้องการอะไรใช้คนเรื่องนี้ด้วยนะเจี๊ยจัด
So there we go, look at that. Good.